of 8, and today I will teach you about physical quantity. What is physical quantity? And definition: all measurable quantity are called physical quantity, by which we can derive the law of physics. Uh, एग्जाम्पल तमाम काबिल पैमाश मकदार को हम तवी मकदार कहते हैं, और इसके ज़रिए हम फिजिक्स से फर्स्ट वन इज द मैग्नीट्यूड एंड सेकंड वन इज द यूनिट. And magnitude we use the numbers कीमत, and unit we use the kilogram, and like 20 kg. If we not mention the 20, our physical quantity will be not. It is not will be physical quantity. And example one and 10. There are two types of physical quantity. One is base quantity, and second one is derived quantity. And base quantity mean बुनियादी मिक़दार हैं. And the definition, the fundamental of the physics is called base quantity. And like the English fundamental is the grammar, and like and here the physics fundamental is the base quantity. And there are seven parts of base quantity. One is length, lambai, mass, time, work or electric current, temperature, amount of substance, and intensity of light. And second one is the definition. A derived quantity is physical quantity that is calculated or derived from base quantity. And माखूज मकदार को दो या दो से ज़्यादा तकसीम से हासिल किया जा सकता है.